What's up guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be unboxing and a real life review of the Jabra Evolve 40. Now this is not a new headset, it's quite old, around 4-5 years old, but this one is actually becoming famous now because it's readily available in India. Flipkart, Amazon and all are selling it, and it used to be expensive. Now it's become a little cheap. I actually bought it for 13,000. But right now it's available for 12,000 online. So it's a good headset if you want to use it for calling as in for your office calls. If you want to be on the phone for 9-10 hours, then this is going to be a good option. Now this is not a music listening headphone. You can listen to music on this, but that's a different category altogether. Now this one is mainly focused on environmental noise cancelling, mainly focused on vocals. It's not going to be a bassy, trebly kind of earphone. You don't get those effects, you don't get surround sound and all these kind of things. This is a calling headphone, so it's mainly made for calling. I have used it with music and stuff, so we will be talking about that in the end of the video, and we'll be doing a real life review. So you'll be seeing me wearing it, using it, and I'll be talking about my personal experience with this. So let's see what you get. Now this is how it is shipped. So you don't get a box, so it's not unboxing, it's basically unpacking. So it comes in this polythene, which has the price written over there, the manufacturing date. So October 2019 this was manufactured, imported in March 2020. So let's go ahead, open this up. Now let's keep the packet aside. Okay, so this is your quick start guide. We'll be looking at that later. Actually, we'll not be looking at that. I'll show you how it looks like, and your warranty information here. So this is how it's presented. You get this case, which is a cloth case, nylon cloth case with sponge in between. So it's a little soft, but this is not going to be waterproof or anything. So keep this inside a waterproof package. So maybe that's why they gave you this. Okay, so let's open this up. So you have the headphone and the remote. Now people are calling this remote. This is not just a remote, this is a sound card also. We'll be talking about that later. So let's take a look at the headphone itself first. Now you get your regular stereo pin with an extra connector. So this is responsible for the busy light. Now the difference between the Evolve 30 and 40 is 30 does not have the busy light function. This one has the busy light function. Let me just put this in. So this part touches here, and that's how the busy light switches on. So you put it on from here. We'll be looking at that right now. So this is how it looks like, very thin and strong. The build quality on this obviously is good. For 12,000 I would not expect anything less. I really like the color combination, the red and black combination I really like. So this is how it looks like, completely made of plastic. There's no metal involved here. This is all plastic. I don't think this, yeah, this is also plastic. Everything is plastic. The only metal part I see is this. So this is a magnet, actually this is just a metal strip. There's a magnet on the mic itself. So when you have to park the mic, you just park it there like that. But the problem with this is when you actually move a little bit, this comes off. So this hasn't been very effective for me. I haven't seen people complain about this because maybe they are always taking calls with this. So but for me it was an issue. It keeps and when you put this on, this becomes stiff. It's not loose like this one. So I ended up keeping this out most of the time. So it goes, so the wire goes into one side. Now I'm not calling this left or right because this is universal. So I can, if I want to use it like this, I can use it like this. And if I want to use it like that, I can actually rotate the mic towards this side. That's why you will not see any left or right indication on this. At least I could not find a left or right indication on this. So this is how it looks like. The sponge is not leather. This is synthetic, but the quality is very nice. I've been using it for 6 months and nothing has happened to it. You see it looks absolutely brand new. So very good quality. Now this also flexes up and down. This flexes left and right. So that way you have 4 directional movement. Now this can accommodate a medium size head. It's not made for big heads. So maybe they might have a size which is bigger, but this one is a medium size one. So very good build quality. You have not sponge but a thick rubber over here, which is comfortable. You have complete plastic on top, and that's basically it. That's what it looks like. So the mic, actually, let's take a closer look at the mic. So this is the part which takes your voice. This is the part which takes the environment voice and then cancels it out. So you will be listening to the sample clips. I will be recording it live, and then you'll be listening to that. So let's keep this aside. You've seen that. Now let's talk about the remote. So people call this a remote, but this is actually a sound card. So you have to connect this to the USB. Now you have two options. You can directly connect this to your computer and use it that way. It still works with noise cancelling. The noise cancelling function is in the headset, not here. So connect it that way and use it. If not, you can use the USB sound card that you get. Now this one allows the headphone to have a longer reach, because this is also long, and you have buttons, 4 buttons here. So this is the mute button. This is the call answer cancel button. Call answer button. This is the volume up, volume down, and this is the busy light button. So that's basically it. That's what it looks like. Now, one restriction though is, now I like the sound, the amplification on this, so I thought I will plug in my own earphone and then see whether that will work. So no, you cannot put your own earphone in this, because they designed it that way. So if the earphone has to go in, it has to have a cut like this. So a regular earphone will get stuck here. So you will not be able to use it with any other earphone. You will have to use this headphone or earphone with this. So that's a limitation which was sad. Ideally, I would have liked this with other options, but anyways. So let's go ahead, plug this in and then see how it actually works. Now you do not even need a computer. You can use your phone to use this. All you need is a OTG adapter. So let me just show you how it actually works. I'll plug it into a OTG adapter. Plug it into a phone, and instantly it detects my headset. Now you see a headset symbol has come up over there. Now let me connect this, and that's it. So now you see I have muted it. Unmute. Now the call function, if I get a call I can answer it, but right now it won't work. Volume up, volume down. Let me just show you. So it works that way. Now this is the busy light. So in case you get a call and you want people to know that you're on a call and not to disturb you, you press this button. So as soon as you press that button, the red light over here will light up. So that's it. That's the basic function that this has. So you will see the red light over here, and the people will see the red light over here. When you are off the call, you can just press that and it's gone. So it's a good option. 12,000 rupees. The sound quality is very nice. Now let's go ahead, test it outside. Let's do a live demo and then see how it works. Okay, so we are testing the Jabra Evolve 40 in the mall. So I'm at the food court now. A lot of people around me, a lot of sound, music playing. So hopefully you can hear me well. The inside mic actually catches all my sound. The outside mic will catch all the background sound and remove that. So I mean, it should be clear, and I'm using the USB adapter. So let's go ahead, remove the USB adapter. I'm actually using this. So without this, directly if I connect, what's the sound going to be? Is there going to be noise cancelling in it? Let's check that too. Okay, so now the sound is directly from the wire itself. It's directly connected without the USB sound card, the adapter. So hopefully the sound is good. So the entire sound you're getting is from here, from this mic. So one thing about this is, now when this is directly connected, I cannot use the busy light. Those functions cannot work. For that you will have to use the USB adapter. So hopefully this sound is also good. You can compare both the sounds and see how it's different. So I am next to the food court with a lot of people. So even though it's a Friday, there are a lot of people, a lot of sound, a lot of music. Okay, so you've seen the video. Now let's discuss the microphone sound quality first. After that, we'll talk about what to expect, and I'll give you some tips and tricks about this. So the microphone sound quality on this is excellent. You would have heard you've seen three different scenarios with the USB sound card, remote, whatever you want to call it, with this, without that, directly connected onto the phone, and then the third one was when I was using a different earphone in the same background. So the sound is actually very clear with or without the remote. It does noise cancelling, so that we've seen, but with the remote, with the USB sound card, it is 100 times better. So I would recommend use this, not just this. And this is louder, so when you put it onto this, the earphone is louder. When you connect it directly, the amplification is not that great, or only on a computer it'll be okay, but on a phone and stuff, it was not that great. Now when you connect it to a laptop, this will actually come up as a second sound card itself. So in case you have issues with the sound on your laptop, don't have to worry about this, because this has its entire architecture figured out. Everything works directly from here. All that it needs is a USB connection. It's a plug and play device, so you do not have to download any drivers or anything and install. So you plug it in, it automatically becomes a sound card, and then you can control the mic and the speaker from there. That's about the mic. Let me just show you another live demo. Let me just play it. This video is going on. So this is a scenario where you'll be in your office, the second person is taking a call, or whatever sound is coming from there. Will it affect you, or how much can you hear? So that's actually running on the speaker, so that's pretty loud. So you can see how clear it is. You can actually hear me very well. The background sound will be coming in, but it won't be that much. If you use any other earphone, it's going to be very, very loud. So I really like that option. Let me put this off now. So if I remove this and then I try to use the earphone, this is actually very hard. It's not that easy to use. It should move like that. Now, because the mic is actually clipped on over there, it's hard and it does not move. So this makes it uncomfortable to use it while this is closed. But when you actually move this a little bit also, this comes off. So this mic sticking thing does not really work, because when you want to park it, the earphone itself does not move properly and it is irritating. So eventually when you move, this will come off anyway. Now you would have seen the difference when I actually remove the headset and stuff. How much can you hear me? So the mic over here is a near field mic, so it does not take things from far away. So far away means even this much of distance is far for this. So that's what you want from a professional headset. So this is a professional headset for 12,000 rupees. This is actually a very good deal. In case you're looking for something like this for work from home scenario or for your office itself, then this is going to be a good option. In case you need any further assistance, you want to know more about this, you can always comment, email me. My information is available in the description and at the end of the video. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.